Hi, my awesome friends. It's Debbie from Blossom Your Creativity, and I'm making a spooky owl. I took this owl from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use a piece of this Halloween paper, some sprinkles, some paint. There's some pretty sprinkles. So let's get started. We're going to first remove this little piece of the feather, or the wing, I should say, and I'm just using my palette knife to go on underneath and just pull that up. And I do like the flowers on it, but we're making a spooky one, so we got to cover that up. It looks too cute. So now what I'm going to do is going to go ahead and just paint the owl in the black, and I'm just going to try to be super careful not to get that paint on the eyes, because I don't need to redo them. They're already cute as they are. So here you are. It's all painted up, and now I'm going to take this paper, Halloween paper, and I'm just tracing the wing, and I'm going to go ahead and cut that out, and then I'll cover those flowers. Alright, now that I have my two pieces, I'm just lining it up to make sure that it fits. And of course, there's a little bit of overhang, so I'm going to cut that back just to make sure that it is flush with the wood piece, the wing. And then what I'm going to do is I'm also going to paint the edges of the wood piece, and as well as the paper, because I don't want that to be showing through. I want everything to be just the black. Alright, so once the edges were painted, I went ahead and attached it with some tacky glue and then put it back on the owl itself. So it's just showing you there that I need to see how nice it looks with the black on it, the edges. So then I'm going to go ahead and work on the base, and I wanted to use some of the clay. I used air dry foam clay, and I want to put that on the base because I want to put some sprinkles on it. This clay was super sticky, so I was having a hard time working with it. Normally when your clay is sticky, you just let it sit out in the air for a little bit, so it could get like a little bit of a crust, and then you could work with it a little bit better. And in this case, I had a double whammy. I had sticky clay, and I did not have my rolling mat, so I was trying to roll it on this piece of wax paper, and it wasn't the greatest. But anyways, I was trying to be how do I say it? I was trying to make it where it was neatly put on, but it wasn't neatly put on after I got done. But you'll see what I did. So now, because I'm attaching clay to a hard surface, you have to put some kind of adhesive. So I'm using that same tacky glue, and I'm just applying it to the underside of the clay, so it'll attach. And there you see a seam there, and I'm going to go ahead and take care of that in just a little bit. And using that palette knife helps to see. I took the excess off with the palette knife so that I could get a clean edge. So after that, I realized I should have painted the base black. So if you were to do something like this, paint your base first before putting the clay on. I missed a step there. So, but anyways, it worked out okay. I did have a couple of spots where I got a little black, but it's okay because we're going to do another step. And I'm using that same brush, so I thought, well, let me just blend it and add to the color of the clay, which it was okay. It's kind of spooky, right? So it was okay to have a little bit of black on there. So anyways, it looks okay once you start putting all the other things on. So I'm putting the glue on the top to use as both to keep it from cracking, and also to use as an adhesive so I can put my sprinkles on. And so I'm just putting the sprinkles, the Halloween sprinkles. I got them on Etsy. I believe it was Annie's Treasures, or what's the other one? Annie's Treasures or Play Code 3. Those are the two that I use. And they're super cute. They have stars and skeleton head and I don't know, some bats. So they're super cute. So I added that onto the base, and I'm just putting them randomly where I think they would look good. And then I'll go in and add a little bit of glitter, because glitter makes everything better. Hides a lot of imperfections as well. Now that the glitter's on, I'm going to go ahead and work on the beak. It just wasn't standing out enough for me. It was like a brown color. So I'm going to go ahead and paint it with a little bit of this orange. And then this will, it'll stand out. The nose will stand out, or the beak will stand out a little bit better. Now I did want to say thank you to everyone who comes over and follows me on my new videos. I really appreciate it. I was really excited when I came back from vacation this week to see that I've made 1,000 followers. So that's wonderful. So I'm super excited and looking forward to my next 1,000. So here is my display with my spooky owl. Isn't she super cute? And she blends right in with all of my display there. If you haven't seen some of these other videos from these Halloween crafts, I recommend that you go back and check it out. And then here's her backside. I put a little spider on there, but I thought it turned out super cute. And then I just glued her to this pumpkin that I got at the Dollar Tree, and that was a perfect stand for her. And then I just displayed her in my plate of Halloween cookies. So again, thank you guys for always being supportive and coming back and watching what I have to offer. And I hope to see you in the next video. And stay safe and keep crafting. Bye-bye, friends.